Yes, Harjeet.
And for take one.
Harjeet, speak, beta.
Ma'am, to take permission from anyone.
To take permission from anyone. Okay, well done. So please note down when do we use it. First is ability. Ability is when you can do something. Okay, ability. Especially at present. At present, you can do something. Okay, not in past, but at present. Next one is to ask permission. To ask for permission. Like, can I use your pen? Can I use your phone? You just ask permission by using can. Okay. Next one, to give permission. So if you ask me, can I use your pen? Generally what I say, you can use my pen. So you can give permission by using can. Now what you have to do, you have to write for each one sentence in your fair notebook. Ability means when you can do something. I can jump high, I can run fast, okay? I can speak 3 languages. I can speak English fluently. So please note down any one example of ability, any one. I'm going to unmute Bani. Yes, Bani, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, can you read the board properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any problem?
No, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay, बेटा लेटर्स आपको रिवर्स्ड ऑर्डर में तो नहीं दिख रहे?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it's fine. So you have to make one sentence for each. Now please write down here one sentence. I can jump high. I can speak 3 languages. Any one example of your own choice. Any one example. Ask for permission. Can I use your phone? And remember, you usually use this word can with your family members and with your friends, not with your teachers and principal ma'am and all, okay? Only for friends or जिसके साथ आप बेटा informal होते हो. For example, your friends or your family members also. For example, if you want to give respect to someone, for example, you want to ask your teacher, that you will not say this thing, can I use your pen? You will say, could I use your pen? Could is more polite. Could is polite, but can is not polite. It's informal. Okay, you can write here informal. Informal means it's not polite. जैसे हम हिंदी में तू और तुम और आपका वर्ड यूज करते हैं, सिमिलरली हियर. So, Harshia, is there any question you want to ask? Repeat it, please.
मैम मैंने सेंटेंस बताना था.
Yes, beta, you can.
Ability का.
You can tell, beta.
Yes, ma'am. We can overcome this situation.
Okay, we can overcome this situation with our hard work. Okay, fine. Next is Harjeet. Now please write down the example of this thing also. Ask for permission.
मैम, ask for permission का ये भी sentence हो सकता है. Can I come in?
Can I come in? Beta, it's a little bit strange. Yes, you can ask this question. You can ask this question to your friends maybe. So, sometime you have to enter the room and your friends are sitting inside. Then you can ask, can I enter the room? But not with your teachers, okay? So can is informal. It is not polite at all. So ask for permission. Can I use your pen? So you can write down this thing. Now give permission. One example of giving permission. Well done. Yes. You can use my pen. Hmm. Now request. You request someone. Can you open the door? Okay. Anyone else? Can you open the door? Can you wait for me for a minute? Can you? Can you make a cup of tea for me? Okay. Can you run fast? Okay. This is the question, beta. Request is when you want someone to do something for you. Okay. So can you shut the door? Can you help me? Okay. So write down 4 examples. Have you done? One each. सबकी एक एक example. Now next one. Can you help me? Second. Second is could. Now who will tell me what is the meaning of could? First you, then I'll ask the online student. Yes. Request, polite request to your teachers, to your elders. Well done. Any other use of could? Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, could is a past form of can.
Okay, well done. So, for example, when you were a child, okay? So, when I was a child, I could jump high. Not now, in past. In past, you were able to do something. Okay. So, first use is ability, ability to do something in past. And one example also. My mother could walk fast when she was young. My grandmother could walk fast when she was young. I could jump high when I was a child. So you can make in past tense. I could not. I could not. I could not speak properly when I was a child. Yeah, when I was 2 years old. Pavandeep, write down quickly, beta. One example. My grandmother could run fast when she was young. Second use is request. It's very polite one. Could you please allow me to go outside? So generally we use it with our elder ones and with our teachers and with our principal ma'am also. So Nitya, yes Nitya.
मैंने ability के बारे में पूछना था कैन में.
कैन में क्या पूछना आपने बेटा?
मैम ability.
एबिलिटी का क्या बेटा सेंटेंस?
मैम नो मैम वो मीनिंग पूछना था.
एबिलिटी का?
यस मैम.
Okay, ability means to do when you can do something. When you are able to do something, up you have that power, you have that thing in you, you can do something. Ability means yeah, huh? Formal. Can informal, could formal. Formal, informal. Okay. Harshia, yes, beta. Harshia, No, I'm not able to hear you, beta.
ये कहना है कि कोड में ये लिख सकते हैं कि इफ यू अलाउ मी देन आई कुड हेल्प यू.
Okay, this is also polite form. Yes, you can write. So please note down one example of each. Have you done? Request polite. Could I go outside, ma'am? Could you allow me to go outside? Could you allow me to go outside? Where is could? Could I go outside, please? Please, in the end. Okay. So you have to write beta one example of each. For the last time, I'm going to repeat it. Ability past means my grandmother could run fast when she was young. Request polite. Could you allow me to go outside? Okay. Now the next model. Next is may. Yes, when do we use may? Okay, to ask for permission. Okay, number one, to ask for permission. Number two. No.
Ma'am, possibility.
Possibility. Okay, well done. When something is possible. So may is used for possibility, to ask for permission. Two uses are there only. So one by one we'll discuss. Okay, number one is permission. It's also beta so much polite. You have to use it with your elder ones especially. Permission, polite. May I sit here, ma'am? Yes. May I change my seat? May I change my seat, ma'am? May I go to washroom? May I go to drink water? So many sentences are there. You can write only one. You can write only one example. Yes. May I catch this ball? You ask your teacher? Okay. Yes. Correct. May I sit here, ma'am? So this is formal. Okay. Permission politely. Yes. When you have to ask for permission, you have to write question mark. Second is strong possibility. When the possibility is strong. For example, there are so many dark clouds in the sky, it may rain. So when you are sure, 99% sure that something will happen, strong possibility. It may rain. Any other example, Aditya? It is a sunny day. When you can see sun, you can simply write, it is a sunny day. Aditya, any sentence better you want to speak? The sky is cloudy, it may rain. Okay? The sky is cloudy, it may rain. So Aditya, I'm not able to hear you. Harshia, yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Give permission भी हो सकता है ना? You may have this.
Okay, fine. Yes, beta, हो सकता है. Yes.
मैंने एक और चीज पूछनी थी.
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम जो मैंने कोड में बताया था कि इफ यू अलाउ मी देन आई कुड हेल्प यू, मैम ये किस में आएगा?
I could help you, beta. Offer. You are offering someone to do something. Offer.
मैम सजेशन भी हो सकता है. सजेशन.
Suggestion भी हो सकता है. Yes, exactly. Offer और suggestion almost same things.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So there are dark clouds. Okay, in the sky, it may rain. One second, beta. Yes, no. Suggestion. In case of could only, beta. In case of could. If you want, I could help you. You are offering someone. Na? So here, strong possibility. The sky is cloudy. It may rain today, Sunday. My cousin may come to meet me. Okay? So strong possibility is there. Write down one example, any one example. It may rain as the sky is cloudy. Okay? So two examples.
Empty fuel lines leaking so that fuel is empty.
The fuel line is leaking. It may get emptied soon. Yes. Next one is might. Who will tell me the meaning of might? What is the difference between may and might? Number 4 is might. We don't actually, 99% we don't use it for ask question. Might I go outside? We don't use this word. So might is used for possibility. Which possibility? May is used for strong possibility and might, yes. Yes, beta. Rishita, speak up.
यस मैम
Yes, please, beta. Might.
मैम मैंने वही मैम मैंने बताना था कि माइट इज पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ
Past form of may, okay. Suhana?
Ma'am, little possibility.
Yes, weak possibility. Well done. Now, for example, if your friend is absent today, okay, and you don't know the reason, so you just make guesses. My friend is absent today, he might have gone somewhere, he might have fallen ill. Okay? Yes, so when you make normal guesses, when you are not sure, then you use might. Weak possibility. It is sunny today, tomorrow it might rain. So normal guess when you make, when there is no possibility or 1% possibility, then we use might. It depends. अगर आपका प्लान बन गया हुआ पहले से, for example travel करना है, right? If you have planned it with your parents that tickets भी book हो गई हैं, then obviously you will write that I will travel next week. Okay, it might take 20 minutes. Yes. You're asking time. Yes, Sandeep. It's sunny today, tomorrow it might rain. Okay. Bani, any other example you want to give? Might. Yes, Bani.
Yes, ma'am.
Might.
Ma'am, I want you to tell the definition.
Okay, you can tell better.
Ma'am, possibility, but when there is a doubt in our possibility, we just make guesses.
Yes. We just make guesses. We have doubt, so much doubt, we are not sure. Then we use might. So my friend is absent. My friend is absent today. He might have gone somewhere. We might reach, yes. He might have gone somewhere. So you are not sure. It's not necessary, beta, he has gone somewhere. Maybe he is not well. My friend is absent today. He might have gone somewhere. You are not sure. Weak possibility only. And it is used in past tense in place of may, but here you have to do only one use. Yes, might is past. Please note down this thing, then I'll move to the next one. And after doing 6 models, I'll ask you question one by one. After doing 6 models, I'll ask you question. So you have 1 minute, please note down this. We'll discuss one by one. Will, shall, both. Now the next one is must. Please note down must. Pavandeep, when do we use must? Beta, give me one example. Yes, Pavandeep. When do we use must? Okay. We must go to park tomorrow. It's compulsory. Okay. So must is used for compulsion when something is compulsory. Aditya, yes, please.
Necessity, compulsion, advice.
Well done, beta. So, okay. Aditya has given answer. Number 1, necessity. Necessity, when something is very necessary, important to do. Or compulsion. Compulsion, something is compulsory. Okay. And advice. We must go to school daily. Okay. Okay. Necessity is something necessary. Okay. You must wear mask when you go outside. So it is compulsory. It's not your choice whether you want to do it or not. You have to do it. And one thing more here, please add this thing also. Must or have to, both are the same things. Okay. Compulsion, again, beta, you must sanitize your hands when you just come home from outside. Must for necessity and compulsion. Advice, it's a very nice, it's a very nice movie. You should watch, you must watch it. So you are advising someone, strong advice. Rishita and Manik.
Yes,
Yes, beta. Rishita,
ma'am, we must not be late to school.
Okay, we must not be late to school. Well done. Next
मैम
is yes, Manik.
मैम हैव टू मैम ऑर्डर भी दे सकते हैं ना मैम जैसे
Yes, beta, must or have to, both are used for giving order. For example,
यू हैव टू वेयर मास्क मैम जैसे आपने कहा मैम मस्ट में मैम वैसे मैम हैव टू भी मैम उसकी जगह आ सकते हैं
exactly. That's why I have written must or have to. Both are same.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, जैसे आपने पहले बोला था कि यू मस्ट वॉश योर हैंड्स व्हेन यू कम बैक होम, तो मैम वो एडवाइस भी हो गया ऐसे तो.
Both are correct, beta. Must इसलिए है क्योंकि it's compulsory to do that. Okay. Advice is yes, it's good for our health also. So both are possible.
Okay.
It depends the person is speaking in which mood. अगर तो वो गुस्से से आपको बोल रहा है, that means it's compulsory.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Order is beta compulsory thing, same thing. Something is compulsory, obviously that is order. So you must wear proper uniform. You must not speak in the class. You must watch this movie. It's a very nice movie. So you are giving advice also. Now the sixth one, last one for today. Rest we'll do tomorrow. Last one for today, and after that I'll ask you questions. Last is should. Should, or it is also called as ought to. Beta, should and ought to, O-U-G-H-T, ought to, they both have same meanings. This is not necessary, this you should do. आपको moral value आपको करनी चाहिए, but it's not compulsory. You should eat healthy food. It's not compulsory, it's up to you whether you want to eat it or not, but you should. You should respect your elders, yes, moral value. So should and ought to are used. Beta, it's if it is compulsory, your parents.
Ma'am, obligation, advice.
Obligation, yes.
Advice.
Obligation must में हो सकता है, you must respect your elders. If your parents or your teachers, they are just telling you that it's compulsory, you have to do this. But generally हम क्या करते हैं, आपको करना चाहिए, ठीक है? Yes, exactly. So obligation, as Aditya said, obligation is something which is moral value, morally good. You can write in bracket moral value ताकि आपको याद रहे, ठीक है? Obligation is something that is morally good. It's a duty to do something, okay? And second is advice. You should eat healthy food to stay fit, to stay healthy, okay? So obligation is some moral value. You should respect your elders. You should follow traffic rules. You should help others. Advice, you should eat healthy food. You should exercise daily. Same beta, you can remove should and you can write ought to. For example,
Ma'am, yes.
you ought to respect
Ma'am.
your elders. Okay? Yes, Harshia?
मैम सजेशन में एडवाइस मैम ये आ सकता है ना, योर हेयर इज टू लॉन्ग, यू शुड हैव अ हेयर कट.
You should have a haircut. Yes, exactly. So it's a suggestion. Suggestion and advice, both are same things. Okay. You should eat healthy food. You should obey traffic rules. Okay. So you should wear black color. It suits you. So you are giving advice to someone. Okay. So these were the 6 models. Actually, there are 10, near about 10 models. We'll complete tomorrow, but today 6 only. Total, there are so many beta in class 10th, maybe you will get about 14, 15. But in this class, we'll be doing 10 only. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you question. Get ready for that and note down, please. And in your fair notebook, you have to write one example of each thing also. Now my first question is, you have to just raise your hand. You are not supposed to speak, collectively. So my first question is, I dash speak 3 languages. Only raise your hands. Only raise your hand. Well done. And the online students also, I dash speak 3 languages. Yes, Bani.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, I can speak or I cannot speak.
I cannot or I can. Both are correct. Well done. So you can make negative also. Okay, the next one is, just wait. Okay. It's a summer vacation. My cousin dash come to meet me. Jashan, Jashan. It's a summer vacation, so strong possibility is there. You are not supposed to give answer collectively. Okay, beta, in strong possibility you have to use me. Summer vacation is there, so it's a strong possibility, है ना? Okay. Next one is my mother is not at home. She dash have gone to supermarket.
Might.
Might. Okay. My mother is not at home, so I'm just making guesses that she might have gone to supermarket. Okay. So when we make guesses, when we are not sure, then we use might. Okay, well done. Okay, next one is you dash. One second. Let me mute all the students. Okay. You dash wear proper uniform. Otherwise, you will be fined. Otherwise, you will be fined. Well done. Yes. So you must wear proper uniform. Otherwise, you will be fined. This means it's a compulsory action. नहीं करोगे तो क्या होगा? You will be fined. And if I say you dash wear proper uniform, you look good in proper uniform, then क्या हो जाएगा? You dash wear proper uniform, you look good in good uniform. It's advice. Then क्या लिखेंगे हम? Yes, correct. Bhavya.
Ma'am, should.
Should. So we are just giving advice. आपको अच्छी यूनिफॉर्म डालनी चाहिए, ठीक है? You look good in it. So now I'm giving you chance. You can raise your hand if you have any doubt. I'll clear your doubts one by one. Raise your hands if you have doubt.
Ma'am, obligation क्या क्या sentence बनेगा?
Obligation, beta, any moral value you can write. You should respect your teachers.
Okay, ma'am.
You should respect elders. Yes. Now I'm starting with Aditya. Aditya, you can ask your question if you have.
मैम नो क्वेश्चन मैम, बस मुझे ये बताना था कि मैम मेरे फोन की आवाज बहुत कम है, तो इसलिए मैंने स्पीकर लगाया हुआ था। तो मैम मेरी आवाज नहीं आपको जाती जब मेरा स्पीकर ऑन होता है, तो मैंने आपको आंसर बताना था 5th का मस्ट का।
Okay, fine. Next one is
मैम यस मैम, मैंने मैम माइट का मैम पूछना था कि उसमें ये आ सकता है कि यू माइट वांट टू टेक अ ब्रेक।
you might want to take a break means
मैम आप मैम कुछ चाहिए हो।
you might take a break, beta. If you are tired, you might take a break. Okay, but I think may is better
और
one.
मैम एक और मैम
Mhm.
ओके मैम दूसरा था इफ आई पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस कंपटीशन आई माइट विन, ये हो सकता है।
Yes. You are not sure. It's a possibility, but not a much stronger, na? You haven't seen participants there. So yes, I might win the match, or might win the competition. Yes.